Imagine building stunning 3D models in Blender or complex apps without writing a single line of code manually. The era of AI automation is here. Today, we're diving deep into Claude Code, the agentic coding tool from Anthropic that's changing the game for developers everywhere. It lives right in your terminal, allowing you to refactor, debug, and document your entire codebase using simple, natural language commands. The goal isn't just to write code faster, but to build more intelligently. Claude Code understands your project's architecture, not just snippets. Getting started is straightforward. Whether you're an individual developer or part of a large enterprise, there's a plan that fits your needs. The Pro plan offers incredible value for smaller projects, giving you full access to the agentic power of Claude Sonnet. But the real magic happens when you integrate it directly into your workflow. Let's look at how it looks inside VS Code. With the VS Code extension, you harness the power of Claude without ever leaving your IDE. It's a seamless bridge between your ideas and your code. It handles everything from selection context to advanced diff viewing, ensuring you always have full control over the changes being made. Beyond just code, Anthropic has introduced Claude Cowork. This takes the agentic concept to your daily documents and tasks. Imagine an assistant that doesn't just suggest code, but actually helps you manage your Git history, resolve conflicts, and generate pull requests. The future of development is collaborative, and with Claude Code, you have the ultimate partner by your side. Start building your next big idea today.